This video is to show you how to create filtered keyword ranking reports, pulling data straight from Google Webmaster Tools using RavenTools reporting platform. Okay, let's get started. So first, before we even make the report, we need to make the right filters. So we're going to go to SEO from the left-hand navigation menu and select Google Webmaster Tools, select Rankings. Once Rankings has loaded, scroll down. Next to Keywords, there's a little box next to the search box. That's for creating filters. Hit the little box. Select Create New Filter at the top. This is where you have all sorts of options for how you'd like to create and maintain your filters. If you organize your keywords in Raven by tag, you can only choose to pull in certain tags. So you can choose the tags filter, and you can select whichever tags you would like to make a filter from. For example, let's say you have your keywords that target blog posts categorized. You can select only blog tags. Over here on the right-hand side, hit Save. Now, your filter settings determine who has access to the filter. If you have multiple profiles in your Raven account, a profile-only filter keeps this filter from being available anywhere except your specific profile. Private filter means it's only available to your specific login. Global filter means it's available across all of your profiles and accounts. Most of our profiles are specific to a client, so we select the profile-only filter. This profile, however, is helpful to have available because it's a generic name. It's just the blog tag. Most of our clients have a blog. So we're going to select the global filter because then we can pull in blog tag keywords across any of our reports. Call it blog. Save filter. Now that filter is saved. So let's go pull that filter into a keyword ranking report. So next, from the left-hand navigation menu, go to Reports. Within Reports, select Report Builder. If you'd like to add it to an existing report, select the report you want to add it to. That's what we're going to do today, or you can do a new report in the top right-hand corner. Once you're in the report, go to the section that you'd like to modify or add a widget to with your rankings. We're going to add it to our keyword ranking section of our report. Then go to Add right here. We're going to add a new widget. Select the Rankings option right here. From Rankings, in the top right corner, select Create Custom Widget. In the metrics that you can choose from, this part's important. You have to choose GWT ranking. That's the one that has the option to use a filter. Scroll down, select the data you'd like to display. We like to choose sorting by either average position or the number of clicks, depending on whether we're trying to show the top traffic driving keywords or the top ranking keywords. So let's do this one by top rank. So we'll sort by average position, starting at the highest, going to the lowest, so A to Z. We like to show the top 50 at least keywords. 10 doesn't really give us much. Filters, this is the magic section here. Within filters, select the brand new filter that you made. So we're going to select blog. This is the only option you have to make sure that your widget is identifiable, separate from the rest. It doesn't say blog filter used otherwise in the widget, so make sure you select this. And then hit Submit in the bottom right. And then go check and make sure that your widget has appeared. So we're looking for blog. There it is, blog keywords. Perfect. Publish your changes. All right, now we're viewing the published report. Here is our new table showing keywords filtered, only showing the ones that are using the blog keywords tag. Next, I'm going to show you one other way that you can filter your keywords using a filter that only pulls in keywords with certain containing terms. So let's go back to rankings. Okay, so if you don't want to get into manually tagging all of your keywords, instead you're going to want to set up a filter that dynamically updates for all of your rankings. So if you follow the same instructions, making sure you're in the ranking screen, that's important, using this filter right here, and first you're going to select include, then you're going to include keywords containing, and then include the words or phrases that you'd like to filter by. For example, I'd like to know about keywords that have the word consultant or consulting or something related. So I just typed the word consult because that will pull in anything containing this set of letters. So it pulls in consultant, it pulls in consulting. Next, I only really care about keywords with consulting if they're also looking for someone for marketing. So we also selected the option to match all filters from these two options right here. And we want to include keywords containing the word marketing. The result is only keywords that contain some form of the word consult and some form of the word marketing. It's okay if they have more terms, they'll still pull in, but it will only pull in keywords that also include both of these terms. Once you've made your filter, again, you hit save, name it, just like you did before. One other thing that you can do is if you would like to create a filter that supports more than one category. So let's say you are a WordPress developer and you'd like to pull in anyone searching for WordPress and anyone searching for developer, but you don't want them to only pull in if it's pulling in both. So you want to get a keyword, for example, that says WordPress website or a keyword that just says developer. In that case, you just toggle this switch right here to match any filter. If it matches any filter, it will treat these terms as mutually exclusive. If you're familiar with Google Analytics parameters, it's like selecting the or rather than the and parameter. And you can see the difference. Now I'm pulling in results that contain consulting or that contain marketing, but they don't have to contain both. And that's all. You can pull that into your report exactly the same as you could before. Keep in mind that you do have to be on the ranking screen, and you do have to use only that reporting Google Webmaster Tools rankings widget. There are other spots where you see this little filter box, like in Keyword Manager. Those do not pull in filters the same way to reports. Only that specific setup does it. Thanks so much. Hope this helps.